If you're trying to reduce the cost of tree cutting in Crown Point, Indiana, a few simple steps can help keep the project affordable. Start by clearing access around the tree so crews can work quickly. Gathering smaller debris ahead of time may also lower labor effort. Getting multiple estimates helps you understand fair pricing, and scheduling work outside peak storm seasons can reduce demand-related costs. In Crown Point's mix of suburban and wooded areas, early maintenance prevents larger, more expensive cuts later. A local team like the region's tree service can offer practical cost-saving guidance. With smart prep and timely care, tree cutting expenses become much easier to manage.